Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 best motorcycle leather gloves. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected the Real Leather Motorcycle Gloves. Specifications. Item type, gloves. Feature, waterproof. Material, leather. Gender, unisex. Application, motorcycle, motocross, riding, racing, cycling, sport, travel, daily use, etc. Features, windproof/breathable, warm, durable, touch operation, piston joint protect. Size, M, L, XL, 2XL. Color, brown, black. Item number 2 is high-quality genuine leather gloves. Specifications. Origin, CN origin. Item type, gloves. Feature, full finger. Material, leather. Gender, men. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Motorcycle Gloves Black Racing Genuine. Specifications. Origin, CN origin. Item type, gloves. Feature, wearable. Material, leather. Gender, men. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.